Welcome back to another Pro Talk video. I'm Neil, and today we're going to take you through the steps involved in connecting the PL-485-BT to any Android mobile device. When you receive the PL-485-BT, you'll notice it comes with two cables, a USB cable and an RJ45 cable. Plug in the USB cable onto the top of the PL-45-BT unit where it says USB, and connect the other end to your computer or wall charger to make sure the unit is fully charged before using. On the right-hand side of the unit, there's a power switch. Make sure it is turned on. Once powered on, you'll see a light turn on in the front of the unit. The RJ45 cable connects to the lower port on the adapter. Plug in the other end onto your device, whether it's an NC network controller or an M2000. When all is done, you're ready to continue with the software configuration. Go ahead and launch your Focus app. And then you're going to select the three dots at the top right. And go into Settings. Then you'll see a Bluetooth section that has devices 0. Go ahead and select on Devices. And then you'll see the plus button at the bottom right. Go ahead and select that. And it'll scan for your devices. Now you're going to select the one that you're going to be using, and then you're going to long press on that and select Get Information. It's going to ask you for a pairing code. By default, it's 6 zeros, so enter 0 6 times. And then hit pair. Now you'll see the information for the adapter. Go ahead and hit Save, and then back out one menu. And then hit Save again. Now go ahead and launch your project. Open it again. At the top right, you see that computer cell phone icon. Click on that, and you're going to choose the adapter. It says Connected at the bottom left. Select Network Controller. By default, the address is 99, so enter 99. Then hit OK. And there you go. You've successfully connected to your Bluetooth adapter. If you have any questions or comments, we're always here to help. Visit us anytime at proloncontrols.com. And remember, Prolon solutions are built to be powerfully simple and consistently reliable.